Hi everyone, welcome back. I am going to be doing a makeup look for a traditional wedding. That is where I am off to. So I thought I'd put up my camera and actually show you guys a look. So just keep in mind when you are doing makeup for traditional wedding, you also need to think of the outfit that you're gonna wear. So my outfit is blue and then it has white circles, if I should say, but you guys will see it. So I am doing my makeup look based on the dress that I'm wearing. So if you guys would like to see the tutorial, then please keep on watching. To start off the look, I'm going to be starting with my eyes, and I am going to be using my Switch Beauty Unicorn Sauce palette. The last time I used this palette was in the First Impressions on the Wet n Wild foundation. If you haven't checked out that video, please do. I created this beautiful blue eyeshadow look. It was stunning. So I was like, oh my gosh, I have missed this palette so much, so I decided to go back to it. And today, since I am wearing a blue dress, I've decided I'm going to incorporate this dark blue, this purple as well, and then put this on my lids. So I'm first going to start with this dark purple right here. And I'm going to use a fluffy brush. I have already put some concealer on my lids. I use the Allegro Pro Conceal. You guys already know I'm almost finished with this one. So I'm going to start with that purple and just concentrate it into the crease area. Look at that pigment. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to take my dark blue and then just put that right under the purple. So I'm going to go in again with that purple because I can see it's starting to disappear a bit. So once I am done with that, I'm going to cut my crease using my NYX Conceal, Correct and Contour. And I'm gonna take this right here So when you're concealing, you want to open your eye and see where the natural crease of your eye is, and place it there, and then just blink. So you see the line actually ends there. So then that's where my crease should be. So we're not going to set that, we're going to let it be tacky so that the pigment can really show through. So I've actually like changed my mind about this color right here. So I think I'm going to go with this one just to give the blue a bit of a contrast, and it's actually going to go with my earrings as well. So I'm going to take this bright yellow, so next I'm going to take this black and just put it on the outer corner, and maybe also just a bit in the inner corners. So my eyes are done, and now moving on to the base, I'm going to be using my favorite Fenty Beauty, or let me say one of my favorite. And we only pull this out for special occasions, people, okay? So I'm going to put 2 pumps. Sometimes I have to put 3, but I first start off with 2 so I don't get ahead of myself. Okay, so those 2 pumps just covered this half, so now I have to do this side. But can you see how okay, I haven't done here at the top, but can you see how flawless this area is? And then you compare it to this side. Okay, my skin's still flawless, but I mean, this is like filtered vibes. This foundation deserves an award, people. because wow, impressed. Every time I use it, I feel like it's the first time. It's crazy. I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Conceal to conceal my under eyes. I'm going to cream contour with the same palette. Actually haven't done this in a while. Just takes a long time. And for some reason it looks like this. It looks muddy. I don't know why. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using my Revlon Photo Ready Candid Anti-Pollution Setting Powder, and this is in 002 medium. To contour, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution palette, and this is the contour shade. And then I'm also going to apply some of the blush as well. I'm mixing the blush also with this orange from my e.l.f. palette. And I'm going to take also a bit of the pink, just for a bit of pop. For highlighter, I'm going to take my Carly Bible BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm looking for like these bronze gold highlighters, so I'm probably going to just mix the two. Now for the drama, just to bring the whole eye look together, I'm going to apply my eyelashes. These are with jasmine brown, and then I'm going to use the Maybelline the Falsies Volume Express. To make my eyes pop out even more, I'm going to use my Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil, and it's a shiny metallic eye pencil. So I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. And now for lips, I'm going to use my eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild, and then I'm going to take the Revlon matte lip color. So I think with this look, a nude is a safer bet. So I'm going to mix this nude with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, just so my lips don't look so washed out. Okay, I think that looks much better. And now for some setting spray. So this is my dress. And I think the eyeshadow really goes well with the dress. So yeah, I'm happy. Girl looks KO. Okay, we see you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know if you like it. Before I close out the video, our subscriber for the week goes to Mama Super Mabatwana. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you guys would like to do the same, all you have to do is click the red button. It says subscribe. It is free, guys. I promise you don't have to pay anything. And also click the bell while you're at it, so you are notified of every time I post a new video, which is every single week. And in December I am posting twice a week. So yeah, I wanted to give you guys some double dosage of me. Let me know what else you guys would like to see, and also let me know what you want to see in 2020. I'm already planning my content for the next year, so I'm really excited for that. And also remember, we are on the road to 500 subscribers. Yes guys, so please get your friends, your family, everyone needs to subscribe so we can make this big milestone. And I will be giving a really nice surprise, a giveaway for the first time on my channel, so that is really exciting news. Thank you guys so much for watching. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.